If we didn't have add-in, it would definitely take many hours, could be even a day. Here at HH Global, we use the add-in mainly for month-end reporting, planning reporting during budgets and forecasts, any ad hoc reporting, which we do have a lot these days. The new Office MS 365 add-in is very flexible, giving people ability to visualize any data pulling from the database. It is very easy to use for non-technical finance users because it's just an easy drag and drop functionality. It is quick because you just open the Excel, hit on the refresh, change the few selections, and all 52 tabs with 94 layouts are updated in basically 3 minutes without the need of downloading everything. It simplifies the way how you get the data and how you visualize it. So yeah, it's a really good functionality. Definitely will be an advantage to use for finance and non-finance and the whole community that are interested in using it.